Ladies and gentlemen, you remember me? Long time.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we have another unboxing and it's from Yasgrl. Yes, so they sent me a new wig. As you can see, it's different from normally what I usually have. It doesn't have a closure nor a frontal, so everything is closed off because it has bangs. Now I know what you're thinking, this do look a little wiggish, okay, but we're gonna get her together. Just trust the process, okay? So I do have a model, which is my sister, and of course they sent you a cap, as all companies should be sending you by now. It's 2023, so we're just gonna go ahead and put that on. We do not need any makeup, we do not need any glue or anything like that. This is literally a pop on wig and go. You can work out in this wig, you can do anything pretty much in this wig because there's no lace, so there shouldn't be any excuses. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to exactly put this unit on, which is probably the easiest unit you could possibly have. So pretty much we put the back of the elastic in the back first, as you see here, and it is very adjustable. So whether your head is big, small, you'll be able to adjust it to your liking. Now we're just gonna pop that on back, and that's it, y'all. That's really it. I'm just showing you the back of the unit and how it looks. After I, put it down a little bit because, she was showing. But this is literally how the back of the unit looks. So you can probably really get away with like a messy, bun. This could be your workout wig, your everyday wig, your running errands wig, your wig that you throw on just for work. It don't even matter at this point because it's very versatile. So now, as you can see in the beginning, the wig had thicker bangs. Now I'm not into the whole thick bangs. You might be, I'm not personally, and neither is my sister, and she's my model for today. So I just went ahead and snipped those bangs. I just kept cutting it until I pretty much liked what look I was going for. More of a thinner bang look, kind of messy. I don't like the super blunt look when it comes to bangs. And then I just used spritz at the top of her head. I only used 2 products in this video, which you will be able to see. These 2, my wax stick and spritz is the only thing I used for this hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video and might pop back in later.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy.
Okay.
Remember that.
You didn't come this far just to come this far.
Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm American Express. My love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
could do.
Okay.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. But they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map.
So just the main specs of this hair, it is more on the Yaki side, so it kind of looks more natural. It did come in, I believe, 14 inches. I will be cutting it, which you will be seeing shortly on in the video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The wig already came as pictured, as you guys saw, the color burgundy. And I'm pretty sure they do have this color in one being natural as well.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy.
Okay.
Remember that.
You didn't come this far just to come this far.
Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm American Express. My love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. But they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap. And I'm tryna hit the rap. And I'm tryna hit the hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, take me out the club, take me out the trap.
For more info on this unit, just go ahead and look down in my description box below, and you will see a direct link to this unit and also their personal website to shop around. I will leave you guys a discount code as well, so you can get money off on your purchase if you do decide to purchase this unit. And as well, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this from me.
Remember that.
You didn't come this far just to come this far.
Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess.